when we're painting, we need to have everything set up. We need our paint. Today, we're making a color wheel with only 3 colors, the 3 primaries, yellow, red, and blue. So we need our water, we need our paper towels, and we need our brush, and sometimes I like to have a little scrap paper so I can see the color before I put it where I need it. Okay? So the first thing I do is wet my brush, and I'm going to paint the 3 primary colors. Now you see that this yellow's like a little dirty because somebody didn't clean it, but it's not really a big deal. I just have to wet my brush, drop some water in it, swirl it around, and if a little different color comes up, like in this case it's yellow-green, all I do is clean off my brush and just pick up the color until it's clean, and voila, it's good. It's fine. So, before I paint, when I'm painting, these are watercolors, I put 1 drop of water in each pan so that it begins to reconstitute. They're dried pan watercolors. Actually, these are semi-soft. And we just want to swirl around. And when we swirl around, the color starts to reconstitute and pick up, and you can see right over there that there's color, okay? And the less water, the more pigment, and the darker it'll be, so that's kind of good. So right now, I'm just going to paint this yellow, right here yellow, right here yellow. Looks like my marker is bleeding, so I'm going to try to stay away from that. So that's my yellow. Okay, now I'm going to paint red. There's my red. So the first thing I'll do, you probably didn't do marker there, so I can't go over that marker. Paint my red. Okay, and now wash the brush. Notice how I always wash and dry the brush. I never paint without a paper towel in my hand. So now I'm going to use the blue. I'll test it out. The blue's very nice. Sometimes these blues, it's hard to tell the difference between blue and blue-violet. So it's always good to test your color. See what it looks like on the paper that you're going to draw it on. In this case, it's white, so I will test it on white. If my paper was a different color, I would test it on that color to see how it will look with wherever I'm painting. There's my blue. Okay, so now I've got to mix colors. So, first color, the easiest color to mix is yellow-orange. So I'm going to take some yellow. I can mix 2 ways. I can mix like on the scrap paper. I need a little bit more water. I can mix on the scrap paper, or, which I'm going to do right now, or I could mix on the paper. So here I did orange. Oops, but oh yeah, my marker is coming in. And I thought that was permanent marker. Evidently not. So I'm going to do more yellow over there and try to go around the other spots. More yellow. I might even do a little bit over here. And I'll show you actually right here. Yellow-orange is going to be more yellow, just a little bit less red. So to make this red-orange, I'm just going to put a little red in there until it turns orange. And then I'm going to check it against, this is very thin paper. In your sketchbook, you have a little bit better paper. So you can, it won't curl up as much. Now, the yellow-orange will be even more yellow and more yellow, and a tiny bit of red, and just a tiny bit of red. So do they look the same now? They shouldn't look the same. Where's the color wheel? So we're going to use this color wheel. So we're trying to get yellow, yellow-orange, and orange right now. And then a little bit more is the red-orange, and then the pure red. So this one sort of looks orange. It's still a little bit mixed up, but it's okay. And that does look yellow-orange. This would be more red-orange. So now you can try going between yellow and red in your sketchbook. Okay? Thanks.